All right,
Okay.
now to go in between them a little bit, I have a bag of buttercream with a tip 352, which is a leaf tip. And I'm just gonna go in between a few of them, not all of them, because I still wanna see some of that light green underneath it. Okay, let me get this out of the way. I'll use a few more of those later. All right, so it looks like a bird beak here. And you just pop it in some of the little openings here, some of the bigger ones, and I'm just gonna squeeze different directions. But this is slightly darker, as you can see, than the buttercream that's underneath.
Mm-hmm.
And it just adds another kind of dimension to your cake. Okay, and then especially down here, you can see the board. They said don't worry about everywhere, but you want to get quite a few in there. Like here, maybe around that tail where it looks a little sloppy there. That can be wiped off. The good thing about the buttercream is you can wipe it off of the fondant too. I just don't have time. You guys are like, come on, let's do this.
Yeah.
We got things to do. It's Saturday. We already waited for you.
Kind of looks like the turtle took a slow trip through the garden.
Perhaps. Yes.
And
I like
lost
my
his
spring
head.
turtle. It beats, you know, a regular turtle. No. Regular turtles are good. All right, so I probably should stop there and just concentrate on the other side.
Okay.
Maybe. But I just can't stop myself.
I can't stop.
I can't. I'm going to put a couple down here even though that wouldn't be right.
Why wouldn't it be right?
Because the turtle head would be coming out from under the shell. And in this point, it's coming through the shell. But hopefully, nobody will notice.
Okay.
Oh, but I just told you.
We'll edit that out. Don't tell anybody.
Forget
So-
I said that.
Spin that so the camera can see what we're talking about.
Right under here.
Yeah, and so normally the turtle head and neck would come out of the shell, so you probably wouldn't see those little flowers underneath his
You
neck.
probably wouldn't.
But that's up to the decorator. It's a decorator's, prerogative.
Okay, that's right. Since I'm the decorator. Okay, then if I can open this, I'm gonna take a little bit of white buttercream and put it underneath. He's gonna actually be some in the water and some on kind of land. I'm only thinking he needs a head. But I figure if I do some of this, then I won't knock his head off when I go to do the head.
Good call.
Good call. Sometimes I'm thinking. Sometimes. Okay, more questions?
So this is just white buttercream?
This is just good old white buttercream.
Plain old, everyday, run-of-the-mill white buttercream in a huge container.
Huge.
Because you've got
I
lots
don't
of
travel light.
Yeah.
Most people don't put enough buttercream on their cakes.
Yeah?
Then they have the shadowing and it's harder for them to ice.
Mmm.
Always make more than you need because you put a lot on, then you end up taking a bunch off.
True.
I tell ya.
So the turtle is walking through buttercream, actually.
A
at this point.
buttercream, yes.
Buttercream garden.
Buttercream garden
Okay.
right now. Now he's going to go through a piping gel garden.
Piping gel garden.
Garden. Actually, piping gel
Okay,
water.
so this is blue piping gel.
So I just put some royal blue food color in this piping gel.
Is that special, like, paste and not the ordinary
Yeah,
food coloring?
this is...
It's not liquid food color, is it?
No, this is not liquid food color. You can use liquid in it though. But if you want it to be just a little darker, a little more intense, then you would use a gel color. So this is the Americolor Royal Blue. Okay, I like to have the white underneath it because then it kind of gives more depth. If I just had the board underneath it, then you would still see the silver. So.
Gotcha.
And this even some of the white in there, I like it because it kind of makes it streaky.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that.
We heard
kidding.
it. I'm just saying. No, it looks good.
Does it?
Looks very watery.
I don't know. Does it?
Yeah,
Yeah? You think it's okay?
I do.
I might need to change the whole thing. Okay. There's our water. We'll put some greenery and stuff around it. Nice. Move that out of the way in case I want to use a little bit more. Get rid of this because it's icky. And I guess we should give them a head.
Okay.